Hi, my name is Adrian Milea, co-founder of Adoriani, and I welcome you to my course on how to produce a song for YouTube and other videos. Nowadays you can see an explosion of video all over the internet. You can see them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and other popular platforms. Vlogs, reviews, clips with animals and people, they all have one thing in common. They all need a song in the background. And here is where you come in, because you can produce a song for video, then you can share it with the ones in need for a price, of course. So in this course we are going to talk about how to find an idea, how to produce it, how to mix it, then how to master it for the world distribution. So let's not waste time and get to work.